said you can't have fun with bubbles in the house? But these bubbles have something special going on. So he's like, whoa, wait, there's bubbles. Don't worry, I actually put dog-safe bubbles into this bubble machine. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today, we're doing a review of this GlowFX Foggy Bubbler. You want me to turn it on again? I know the bubbles smell kind of like peanut butters, don't they? So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and I do want to let you know that it comes with regular bubbles, but I took those out and put some dog-safe bubbles in here because, you know, we got to have some fun with the bubbles with the dogs. Let me explain this to you real quick. So with this, you are going to get the Foggy Bubbler. You are going to get some fog juice. Yes, fog juice. You're going to get some bubbles, which, like I said, I actually emptied this into another container and put some dog-safe bubbles in it, which totally work in here, which is kind of cool. You're going to get a little charger for the battery. The battery gets installed on the other side. Right in here, which I'm not going to take it back apart right now, you take this little funnel, put in a little hole in there, and you install this fog juice because these bubbles fill up with fog. These are the dog-safe bubbles that we use in it. They actually work really well. Once you have it all filled up, set, and ready, you're going to want to hold this button for about 10 to 15 seconds, which I've already done it a couple of times. And you're going to notice as the bubbles are coming out, look, some of them have fog in them. Eleanor, you're getting coated in bubbles. Coated in bubbles. Can you see? Can you see how some of them look foggy? Watch, we'll watch this one as it lands and it goes poof, poof. Oh, that one didn't pop. Poof. There's one. We'll watch. Oh, poof. So as these bubbles land and pop, the ones with fog in them make that little like smoky. This is so fun. So fun. And it makes so many bubbles. Look at it. Memphis is sound asleep. And here we go. And oh, I really hope the camera's picking that up because that's really cool. Also, one of the things you can't see when it's light out is it also has lights. Look how cool it is. As long as you hold that button, the lights just keep changing. You can see the fog coming out of it. It does make it so you can see the fog a little bit better when the bubbles pop. What do you think, Kira? What do you think? She's like, this is pretty cool. One more try. Yeah, you get them bubbles. You get them. I have to say, this is pretty amazing. The fact that it works with my dog-safe bubbles makes me even happier. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a super fun foggy bubble machine, this is really cool. And we recommend this. We're having way too much fun with this. And yes, we're playing with bubbles inside.